God Awful Kits Part 3. Op4 or bad guys. Whether you're doing a Middle Eastern insurgent, or if you're doing a Russian ultranationalist, or maybe you're going for like a cursed anti-Spetsnaz meme loadout, that's cool too. Or even if you're just going as some random merc, there are going to be some key things you want to do if you want to go for an Op4/bad guy kit. Number one, you're going to need an AK or a similar bad guy weapon. As far as the rifle's concerned, you're going to put different attachments on it, pretty much based off whether you're going Middle Eastern insurgent, Russian ultranationalist, or somewhere in between. You're going to find that sweet spot. I'm going to do a full breakdown of all the different kits at some point soon. If you like this shit, follow for more.